Yesterday I got one complaint, and that complaint is related to class 8 boys. So that's why after this assembly, class 8 boys will stay here. Got it? That's the first information for all of you. Rest, as weather is changing, it's a beautiful weather, no doubts, we are feeling very good. And when you come, it's very pleasant weather. But I think within a week, the weather is drastically going to change and it is going to become a cold weather. When it's so cold, some of you have already started wearing the winter uniform, some still not started. But at least you must arrange your uniform. We have given you the date up to 8th, from 9th of November onwards. It's mandatory. If suppose there is again warm weather, we may give you the extension of 1 week. But I hope that by 8th, 9th of November, weather will be cold and then the wearing of winter uniform, wearing of the blazer will be mandatory. That's okay? Next. This year, I think your teachers might have explained you. If it is not explained, then also I am telling you. This year we are going to have pre-annual examination also before the annual examination. But as there is a pre-board examination in the senior classes, for your classes 5 to 8 will be a pre-annual examination. That will be the first week of February. It means your annual examinations are 2 times. First in the first week of February, then it is from the 25th of February. Got it? Annual examination I am talking about. This syllabus of all the subjects up to the annual examination. I am not talking about PT2 or UT2. I am talking about the annual examination full. In whichever the class you are studying, that full syllabus. It will be taught to you by 20th of January. If you face some problem, you all have rights to discuss with your teachers. Classes are going on. There were so many holidays. After the holidays, now just the classes have started. I advise you, focus on your academics. Whatever the teacher is teaching, try to understand. In class, you have to give your proper attention. If you are not able to understand any concept, any topic, you have all rights to ask questions from your teachers. Ask whether 10 times your teachers will help you. But whatever the work is being given by the teacher, the practice of those questions, learning of that concept, it must be there at home. You have a time, 4:30, school gets off, by 5 o'clock you are at home, then you take some snacks, you do some rest, you play some game, 1 hour, that's good, you must do it. Then around 7, you have a time for study. So at least 2 hours study you must do. Today study, today itself, and next day again 2 hours. Every one of you have to study minimum 4 hours, but you must go to sleep at 9:30, 10 o'clock. Don't go late. Some of you, because school is late, you are in a day shift, you keep on playing some games at night. That's really bad. Last time I have spoken with the 8th class parents also. That's really bad. No game. And that also, if suppose sometimes you play the game, it's not bad, but 20-30 minutes is okay. And that should not be at the night time. So this is the instruction from my side, and this is my advice to all of you also. I advise and I hope that all of you, if you want to be good in your life, if you want to enjoy your life, if you want to travel to America, Canada, and that Tokyo, then now you need to work hard. Because if you work hard, you will become very successful in your life. You will have money also for travel. And you will be able to see the whole world. And these days, some people, they go to moon also. There is a space travel. So some people go, and that SpaceX is one company that has been started by, do you know who started SpaceX? Elon Musk. The owner of SpaceX, and he is also owner of Tesla. So he has started one company for space tourism. As we go to Raipur or to Chennai or to Manali or some other Mumbai or Goa for tourism, in the same way, those people who have money in this world, they go to other planets for tourism to see it. And there is a spacecraft made by that Tesla's owner, Elon Musk. He has made a company and they have started taking the tourism, space tourism. So that's possible. But for that you should be very successful in your life. And some of you will make some of these things also. As Tesla was made and the SpaceX company was made by Elon Musk. So one day you are also to create something. If you learn, if you will grow, if you will keep on improving yourself, one day you will have some such type of beautiful ideas to make something new. So that's possible. For that you need learning, you need education, you need proper attention. Just by playing game it's not possible. That's just entertainment. For some minutes we can do it. But maximum time is to be spent on academics. That's there. And one information is more, that's for all. It's written on the main gate also. That was explained earlier also through a video. That is mobile phones. Mobile phones you cannot bring in the school campus, whether by mistake. One boy